Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Talk Andrew. Learning English is easy and fun here. I am Sarah.
Hi, Sarah. Hello to all our listeners. It feels good to be here today.
It really does. The sun is shining, and I feel full of energy. How are you, Andrew?
I am great. I had a slow morning. I drank some coffee, read a book, and now I feel ready to talk.
A slow morning always feels good.
I agree. Before we start, we want to ask our listeners for a small favor.
Yes, if you enjoy learning with us, please hit the subscribe button and give us a like. It helps the channel grow.
And share this episode with your friends. Learning is more fun together.
Exactly. So, Andrew, how was your week? Anything interesting?
My week was busy, very busy.
You are always busy. What happened?
Last weekend was my sister's birthday.
Oh, nice. Happy birthday to her. Did you have a party?
Yes, but it was a surprise party.
A surprise party. I love those.
Me too, but this one was hard to plan.
Why?
My sister is very smart. She notices everything.
That makes surprises difficult.
Exactly. The plan was simple. We all went to my mother's house and turned off the lights.
A classic idea.
We hid behind the sofa, behind the curtains. My brother even hid in the kitchen pantry.
Inside the pantry with the food?
Yes, he was hungry too. We waited and waited.
Waiting feels so long.
It does. Then we heard a car. The door opened.
The exciting moment.
We heard footsteps. Click, clack. The door opened. We jumped and shouted, "Surprise!"
Was she surprised?
Well, the person was surprised, but it was not my sister.
What? Then who was it?
The pizza delivery man.
No way.
Yes, he had 4 big pizzas. 10 people screamed surprise at him. He almost dropped everything.
Poor guy. Was he scared?
Very scared. We apologized and told him we thought he was my sister.
Did he laugh?
Yes, after a moment. We gave him a big tip, too.
Nice.
5 minutes later, my sister arrived.
Did you surprise her?
No, we were still laughing about the pizza man. We forgot to hide again.
So she walked in and saw everyone laughing.
Yes, she said, "Why are you laughing? And why is the pizza man eating cake?"
You gave him cake.
Yes, he became our special guest.
That is a great story, Andrew. Real life is funnier than movies.
True. What about you, Sarah? Anything funny happened to you?
Not as funny as your story, but something happened at church on Sunday.
What happened?
We had a community day. Everyone helped fix things around the building.
That sounds nice.
My job was to paint the fence outside.
Good job. What color?
White.
Classic. Did you do well?
I thought so, but I'm not very good with tools.
Oh no.
I was painting the top part, then a strong wind came. The paint flew off my brush.
Where did it go?
On my face.
Your face?
Yes, all over my nose and glasses.
Oh, Sarah.
I looked like a clown, or maybe a small ghost.
Did anyone see?
Everyone. The pastor, Mrs. Higgins.
Mrs. Higgins is very serious.
She looked at me and said, "Sarah, the paint goes on the fence, not on your nose."
She is right.
I know. It took me half an hour to clean my glasses.
At least the fence looks good.
It does, and my face is clean now.
Good. How is your office?
Good, but yesterday was stressful.
Why?
The internet stopped working.
That is the worst.
We use the internet for everything, so we sat there for 2 hours.
2 hours?
Yes, we talked and drank coffee. It was actually nice.
Really?
Yes, usually everyone stares at screens, no one talks.
True.
Without the internet, we started talking. I learned that my colleague Emma has 4 cats.
4 cats. That is a lot.
I know, and guess what my boss likes to do in his free time?
Let me guess. Golf.
No, he loves baking.
Baking? Like bread and cookies?
Yes, he makes sourdough bread every weekend.
I never expected that.
Me neither. He always looks so serious, but he loves baking.
See, when technology stops, real conversations start.
Exactly. It was a nice break. Then the internet came back and everyone went silent again.
But at least now you know more about your coworkers.
True, it made the office feel friendlier.
Talking connects people, even during small moments.
Speaking of moments, something funny happened to me at the supermarket yesterday.
You have another story. Tell me.
I was shopping for tomatoes. I saw a woman from the back who looked exactly like my Aunt Mary.
Same hair, same coat?
Same everything. So I walked up behind her and gave her a big hug.
Oh no.
She turned around. It was not my aunt.
A stranger.
Yes, she looked shocked. I felt my face turn bright red. I said, "I am so sorry. I thought you were my aunt."
Did she forgive you?
She smiled after a moment and said, "It is okay. I wish I had a nephew who hugged me like that."
That is sweet.
It was, but I learned a big lesson.
Check the face before the hug.
Exactly.
Life is full of funny moments, embarrassing moments too.
Yes, and these moments help us learn English.
How so?
Because stories help us remember words. The story has emotion.
That is true. You remember words better when they connect to your life.
Exactly. So to anyone listening, try to talk about your day in English, even small things.
Like spilling your coffee or seeing a cute dog.
Or sending a text to the wrong person.
I do that too often.
Tell those stories in English, even if you talk to yourself in the mirror.
Or to your cat. Emma has 4 cats. She has many listeners.
Yes, practicing like that helps a lot. All this talk about food is making me hungry.
Me too. My stomach is growling.
So, what will you eat tonight?
I think I will order a pizza.
Please do not scare the delivery driver this time.
I promise. No shouting. Only thank you.
Good plan. I think I will make a simple sandwich. No baking for me.
No baking bread like your boss.
No, that is too much work.
1 messy face per week is enough.
True. Well, Andrew, this was a fun talk.
It was. I feel happier now.
We hope our listeners feel happy too.
And don't worry if you didn't understand every word.
Just listen to the rhythm. The more you listen, the easier it gets.
Exactly, step by step.
I think it is time to finish the episode.
Time flies when we enjoy the moment.
Before we go, we have a question for you all.
Have you ever had a funny misunderstanding?
Maybe you hugged the wrong person,
Or surprised the pizza man?
or got paint on your face.
Tell us in the comments. Try to write in English.
Short or long, we love reading your stories.
And please subscribe to English Talk Andrew.
And click the bell so you never miss an episode.
Give us a big thumbs up.
Share this with your family or your aunt.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today.
You all are amazing. Keep learning and keep smiling.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone. Have a great week.